How to install floodlight camera. Risk of shock. Disconnect power before servicing. Contains no user serviceable parts. This product must be installed by a licensed electrician in some countries. Check local regulations. Identify a suitable location. Ensure this location has a pre-existing round weatherproof electrical box, junction box, and electricity wires. We recommend installing your floodlight camera between 8 and 10 feet, 2.5 to 3 meters, from the ground. If there is no pre-existing electrical box installed, contact a professional to create a safe power supply and install a junction box. Our floodlight camera supports wired Ethernet cable connection, and our floodlight camera also supports Wi-Fi connection. The distance to your Wi-Fi router should not exceed 20 feet. If the signal is weak or the upload speed is below 1.5 megabits per second, you may need to add a Wi-Fi range extender. Or move your router closer if possible. Set up the floodlight camera indoor with the app. Make sure it's working well before installation. To set up the floodlight camera indoor, find a power socket and plug in the floodlight camera. The floodlight camera will blink when it's ready for setup. Download and install Foscam app from App Store or Google Play. Follow on-screen instruction on the app to set up the floodlight camera. Unplug the floodlight camera. Disconnect wire connectors and remove the power cord. You don't need the power cord when using the floodlight camera outdoor. Mount the floodlight camera outdoor. Go to your fuse box and turn off the electric switch. If you are unsure as to which one it is, turn off all switches. Peel the backing of the adhesive foam gasket and stick it to the back of the floodlight unit. Hang the floodlight camera on the junction box, so that you can connect wires more easily. Connect both ground wires, yellow or green, from the junction box and floodlight camera. If the existing ground wire has been connected to the junction box or there's no ground wire, connect the ground wire of the floodlight camera to the junction box or mounting plate directly. Connect the white wire on the floodlight camera to the white wire, neutral, from junction box. Connect the black wire on the floodlight camera to the black wire, hot, from junction box. Align the hole on the junction box with the opening in the floodlight camera. Screw the central screw through the center of floodlight camera to mount it in position. Cover the central screw with the central screw cap to prevent it from rusting. Appropriately adjust the lights and camera view angle. To adjust the lamp horizontally, turn this knob counterclockwise to release it. Adjust the horizontal angle. Turn the same knob clockwise to lock the position. To adjust the lamp vertically, turn this knob counterclockwise to release it. Adjust the vertical angle. Turn the same knob clockwise to lock the position. Turn the electric switch back on. To adjust the camera viewing angle, loosen the screw in the back of the camera. You can check the live stream on your Foscam app. For the best product experience, we suggested the camera downward tilt angle 15 degrees.